Nothing is ever as easy as what they say it is.
That is true.
When you're renovating a home. You always find some quirks.
I'm Rita.
I'm Dean.
And we are approaching the finish line of a huge renovation we've been doing on our 1950s ranch house.
And we're looking to refinish our bedroom. We wanted to have that flat level, you know, that 50s feel of just that big spread. But it was a little dark and there wasn't a lot of light in here, so we had to make a few adjustments. When you want to get that beautiful light in and you've got the greenery coming through, it was being masked because we had a big wall down the middle here that we had to take out.
It just didn't feel like a 50s ranch house. We knew we were going to have to do some renovations, but
we realized we were essentially replacing every internal organ of this house.
The house got broken into. The stove that like electrocuted me a little bit that one time. He broke his toe. The more we lived in this space, we realized this was not going to work for us.
Then we moved to Rita's dad's house.
So 6 months we slept on an air mattress in my dad's house, in his office. Part of that whole process and sort of living out of suitcases, just being in kind of like an unsettled situation for 6 months. Moving back into this house, it meant that making our bedroom a real like place where we can relax and hang out and spend time together and just take a deep breath and enjoy the house was really, really important to us. I have very specific ideas, very specific aesthetic, and Wayfair has been amazing at taking those thoughts and ideas and really being able to dive in and search for them and try to find them. The whole process of picking our bed from Wayfair and so many other items in our house made it kind of a no-brainer for us to, you know, keep looking at Wayfair for finishing out all the other things that are in our bedroom. It was sort of our immediate go look for stuff there too.
Okay, the space is 17 feet by 14 and just over 14 and a half. I don't think we want to add too much stuff to clutter it up, but just finding that right balance of pieces just to make this room feel full is going to be really important, I think.
Obviously, we already have our big, beautiful, perfect pink velvet bed from Wayfair. So what we need now are just things to really go with that and to accent it and to make this room come to life. So we really want to have an area rug here that will go underneath it and kind of help anchor the bed. Yeah, we definitely need side tables.
I was scared the room was going to be too pink and there was nothing of me in it. Let's just say that.
Literally in our wedding vows, you said I was allowed to paint everything pink. So I just
We
feel
say
like
all sorts of stuff in our wedding vows. But
just holding you accountable. Here. Just hold that for a second. Let's see here. Oh, look. Let you paint everything pink. So I thought maybe we would start out looking for a rug for the room. I really feel like we need a rug to kind of ground things.
Well, I mean, considering our floor is white oak, we don't want anything that's going to be too stark against that. It's got to be something maybe with a bit of white in it.
Look at this. Well, it's got the pink in there, and then it looks like it's got some gold accents in there, which is perfect.
A Zenobia salmon off-white gold rug by
Gold Flamingo.
That's the company. Yeah, put that in the car for me.
Okay, yeah, for sure. Do you want to go ahead and take a look at maybe some other things, like some side tables or something? I would love something that has drawers in it so I can stash and hide things in there, especially so my daughter is not getting into things all the time. I love this. What do you think about this one? The reviews look really good.
This looks like it's a fit.
Add to cart. I would also love to have a full-length mirror in the room.
You want a wall-mounted or a freestanding?
I think a wall-mounted would be nice.
That'd be kind of nice.
Yeah, just for safety reasons.
Or even
and
if
things
it
like
leans
that.
on a wall, that'd be kind of nice.
That would be super cool.
I mean, we should go for something like an arch. It's going to match all of the shapes we've got. We've got the pill shape, so we've got the arch at the tops right there. We've got the arch over the bar. We've got the arch on the end of the island there.
Yeah.
We've got the mirror, we've got the rug, we've got the side tables.
That's good.
What is that? Is that leather?
It's so cute.
It's not pink. You know what I'm really loving about this right now is that after we do this, we've solved most of the problems that we wanted to solve in terms of finishing that room up.
And now we can just relax.
Move on, just wait, we'll get them and build them, put them in, and it's done.
I can't believe we are finally here. Our experience shopping with Wayfair was easy.
Very easy.
Yeah, intuitive.
Everything was just so easily laid out in front of us. We had no problem finding what we needed.
Finally have our dream bedroom. Just feel like this bedroom feels complete now. A lot of obstacles and things that we ran up against.
Just a couple.
I mean, you broke your toe.
Oh, we got robbed.
We moved out of the house
And
to
into
my
your
dad.
father's house.
Did I say I almost got electrocuted? 'Cause
Yeah,
I
you almost got electrocuted.
The rug is absolutely perfect. It pulled all the colors in from not just this room, but other parts of the house.
I'm also excited about having a floor mirror here. That's a big deal because we were going into a guest room and it was kind of cluttered in there. One of the most important things for me is I didn't want a room to feel too busy. It's just the right amount of pieces in the right place to make us feel peaceful.
Yeah.
And to me, that's nailing it. It really is.